Well, welcome. Now, in this video, we're going to set up one product in one offer in order to create a link to place into a thank you page. We will start by logging in to insiders.harperacademy.com. And in some cases, if you have already logged in, you will see your elements here. What you will do is you will go to the memberships tab. What you will then do is you will go to the offers tab. What you will then do is you will click on create an offer. You're going to give the offer a specific name. What you will then do is you will use this drop-down menu in order to add one product to your offer. We've added the one product to the offer. Now, the way to do this, you are going to place the offer as free, even though the individual is going to pay using your sales system. Our offer is now saved. You can now customize your offer. So in this case, you're going to write in a description. If you're going to be adding tracking codes to the inside of this area, you can do that here. There's custom JavaScript, CSS, header tracking, and footer tracking. In most cases, you will not be doing that. So we're going to close up the advanced area. Now for this offer, you can customize the access so that the access will begin at a specific date. If you choose not to do that, then the default is they'll get access right away. You can restrict access to a specific number of days. In this case, we're not going to do that. However, we're going to leave this unticked. And so the default is that they're going to get access and for an unlimited period of time. The offer itself can have its own thumbnail. Now, this is not going to be the product thumbnail. This is going to be the offer thumbnail that your customer will actually see. Once you have the image in that you want, you can click Save. Once you do that, you'll notice then that you'll have a draft offer. You can then go to Published. The visibility will now be available. You can then preview the published offer. So when your customer clicks on the link on their thank you page, they will see this element. They'll need to put in their name and email address in order to proceed to the checkout. You can then save and publish the offer. The offer is then saved and then published. What you can then do is you can get the link. What you'll notice here is that you have a link to be able to distribute inside of the delivery or the thank you page link. Again, when the customer clicks on that link, this is what they will see. They will then be able to put in their email address and then their name. Customer will then proceed to the checkout. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.